everyone. So I got this comment from a viewer that how we decide the base image of a Docker, and this is a very important topic too. That when you start writing Docker file, so how will you decide the base Docker image, because that's the first layer. So let's understand about more about the base images, and let's go. So this we'll understand this. I've made a kind of rows that why you go for this base image, just a general note that I will give in description section too. But let's before starting, I'll talk about three type of images. First is alpine, then slim, then other Docker images which are like very heavy, and they have fully all the packages and everything. So why alpine? What is the difference between these three types of images, and when we choose? So alpine is the smallest Linux distribution. Like it is only have minimal packages like apk, and if you need a very small base image, that you don't want that your image should be very heavy, and you don't want that your application is fully having all the dependencies, and you need not to download any dependency, then you can use and go for alpine images. Okay, the base images which are alpine, so always use and go for official alpine like images. Then slim is uh it's a what you say, it is more weighted than alpine. It has more packages downloaded, like for debian and ubuntu distribution, and it is like 20 to 30 MB, and it is in midway of alpine and the other heavy docker images. So when you want like little bit dependencies you have to download, you can go for slim images. So that is one option. So whenever you will see, whenever we have gone for multi stage, in the first stage where we are it's a building stage where we are downloading the dependencies and everything, we have used slim images, and then the next stage, which is the runtime stage, there we have used the alpine images, because already all the dependencies have been installed in the first stage, and in alpine stage we just want to run our application. That's why we went for alpine images. So in this way we decided to use the docker image. Then the other Docker image, they have everything. It is around 150 MB, 100 MB. They have everything, all the OS packages, everything supported. But when when Docker image size doesn't matter for you, if it can even go heavy, and it's no like there is nothing to bother you, then you go for these Docker images. But yes, these Docker images are fully, they are supporting everything, but they are very heavy. So if the build time and everything doesn't bother you, you can go for the other Docker images which are not alpine or slim. So openjdk and all these are like that. So in cases like in Python app, so how will you decide a Docker image? First of all, that what kind of application you have, what is the tech stack, whether it has Python code, or whether it has Node.js code, or whether it has Java code, what kind of code is present. There you get the idea. Okay, I need to use Python image. Then you decide, okay, what kind of Python image I have to use. I have to use alpine image, or I have to use slim image. What kind of image I should go for, depending on the application and how are you going to write your Docker file, whether it will be a multi-stage, or how there will be only one stage that you are going to write. So basically, for Python app, we are going for like base image. You can give 3.12 slim. It is lightweight, and Python is pre-installed. Then Node.js app, Node 18 slim, up to date, smaller than full. Go binary, if you want that nothing you want, like you just want to run your Python application, then you go for alpine images, or debian or ubuntu, stable and familiar, and minimalist linux, alpine images. Because if you want something minimalist, then you go for alpine images. They are very small, they are faster to download, so build stage is very like it ends in seconds. Then when the use cases are like we have to build plus run, it's a simple use case, and and it's a Java application, then you can go for openjdk 17 jdk slim. So good general purpose choice when you have to build and run the application. When run only in production, if you have to do it in production only and it is only run, so eclipse-temurin 17 jre, lightweight and actively maintained. Then minimal plus secure, then JCR plus IO distroless Java 17. Great for secure prod images, minimal and it is secure, because we have to see that what base image is even secure. It should, because deciding the base image decide that what kind of, how heavy our Docker image will be, how secure it will be. So if you want security, then you should go for this GCR. Fast and small, like experimental, then openjdk 17 alpine, because it's alpine world. Build stage only, then you go for maven. So whenever we want, when we are running an application, and it just includes a build stage, then we can go for maven. Else if it includes build plus run, then we go for openjdk. So I hope the things are a little bit clear. And even if the things or if even if now you have few doubts or any doubts, please comment down so we can pick that up. So that's all. That's all for today's video. I hope it's helpful. Please let me know your views in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye.